हे गाइस अगेन इन अ नॉन मेकअप लुक ऑफ माइंड क्योंकि 4 महीने हो गया है घर के अंदर एंड आई एम सुपर सुपर बोर्ड. सो अब मेकअप वेकअप वैसे भी कहाँ पे है मुझे पता नहीं है. आई वांट टू शेयर समथिंग नाइस विद यू गाइस. सो व्हेन द लॉकडाउन हैपेंड, सो मैं पूरे मार्च से बताती हूँ बिकॉज दिस इज समथिंग दैट इज़ वेरी वेरी unique that happened with me and not with anyone else. So when the lockdown happened, or in the month of March, I was traveling. So I was supposed to be in Bangalore, and then I was supposed to be in Gurgaon, and then back to Mumbai, then Hyderabad, then Jaipur. So that was my travel, and they started in 8th of March. 8th of March. Until 26th of March, there was a full travel planned, and then I was supposed to be back, or if something else doesn't come up. In the midst of this, I remember on 21st, I think, there was the Janta curfew that Mr. Narendra Modi, our honorable Prime Minister, had said. So 21st इवनिंग को मेरा फ्लाइट था, वो चेंज करके नहीं 22nd को था, राइट. एंड 22nd की इवनिंग का मेरा फ्लाइट था, वो चेंज करके प्रीपोन करके मैंने 21st को कर लिया था क्योंकि कैब्स नहीं मिलेगा एयरपोर्ट से होटल तक जाने के लिए. So, and then when I reached that hotel, the plan was within 2-3 days I'm supposed to move into another city, but the flight suddenly got cancelled, and my stay in that hotel got extended, and within a span of 2 days, within 500 meters of that hotel, a corona positive cases pakda gaya. So the hotel had to shut down, and they moved into another hotel. So for the full month from March to May, I was in a hotel, in another hotel, of course, and this was in Hyderabad. So मैं हैदराबाद में फंस गई थी एंड 2 महीने वहीं पे थी होटल में. It was a very different experience because you cannot do Swiggy or Zomato. Hotel ka khana is the only option. In hotels also they didn't have everything. So buffet mein, from going a full course buffet, I could see that they went into one dosa, one idli, one omelette, like omelette once in a week, and biscuits, some biscuits. कभी कभी क्यूकम्बर, कैरेट, टोमेटो मिल सकते थे कभी कभार, and chai. Like you can't even have coffee because they run out of options of coffee, and they were not getting regular supplies. Chappals नहीं मिल रहा था, towels नहीं हो आ रहा था. The room cleaning was once in 3 days, and the like a lot of different cases. But the fun fact is, from the whole lockdown period when people were actually at home, I was in a hotel, and May 21st, when the flight started, that was a time when I could finally move over. I was told to go back to the headquarter of my office, but I said that it's been a while, since 7-8 months I've now not visited home, so I'll go home. So that was a time when I finally could come back home. In the meanwhile, my mom was obviously very tensed, but that's been one of a story for me. Very few people had to actually be stuck somewhere, and I was on an official stuck position. There were plans where even the organization wanted me to get on a charter plane, but I said like 70,000, 80,000 to $100,000 for a flight is not warranted. उससे अच्छा है कि hotel is a better option, and it's not safe to fly on those times, because at that time there was this all these evacuation plans that were happening, right? Flights were coming back from London, from Middle East, from New York, from Singapore, and the same planes were being flown again because Indigo had garaged or anchored all of their flights. So it was only Air India and some chartered planes. So I did not get into that. So that's been quite of my Corona story. And a lot of things happened during Corona, because suddenly I went back into the time where basically I remember that I have a life, because for the last 7-8 months I've been only traveling, both India and abroad. So never was, मतलब एक जगह पे एक हफ्ते का रेट से ज़्यादा रेंट देने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ता था, because I was not staying around, right? So finally I got a time to stick back, sleep for some long 9-10 hours at times if your work permits, do everything digitally, move into agile, do new courses, watch a lot of videos. So I've never had the patience to actually watch a lot of movies, because मैं मूवी में बोर हो जाती हूँ. But here, in one stretch, I could finally complete a movie, and that's a huge feat for me because आज तक मैंने Game of Thrones नहीं देखा है. Maybe बाद में देखूंगी. There are a lot of friends भी मैंने पूरे नहीं देखा है. So all this very popular ones I don't. But I've watched a lot of Kapil Sharma show, which my mom is fan of, or watched a lot of MTV. Finally got a subscription into Netflix and Prime क्योंकि otherwise you have good friends and they share their contacts. So whatever it is, I got one क्योंकि all the time my friends are engaged. So मुझे अपना account चाहिए. I became very fluent and proactive and confident. I spoke with myself a lot. So I think all of you guys have done various creative things. One of my new thing is that I made new friends. Uh, Also, I went and ventured into something which was a dare for me is online dating. So I went into one online dating app. Sorry for that. And it's a whole new world for itself. एंड a lot of people say that वहाँ पे बहुत जर्क्स मिलते हैं, स्टूपिड लोग मिलते हैं, अजीब तरीके से लोग मिलते हैं. या जर्क्स तो हर जगह पे मिलते हैं, बट यू जस्ट हैव टू फिल्टर देम आउट. दैट मेट सम वंडरफुल नाइस पीपल ऑल्सो. आई डोंट नो व्हेन वी कैन फिजिकली मीट देम, बट इट्स बिन फन बिकॉज बहुत अच्छे अच्छे बातें होते हैं. नॉट ऑलवेज पीपल आर लुकिंग फॉर हुकअप्स और बीइंग फिजिकल विथ यू, बट देयर आर पीपल. वो भी किसी का बेटा है, वो भी किसी का भाई है, और वो भी इंसान है. वो भी कुछ करता है, कमाता है, उसका के ऊपर भी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज़ है, और वो भी ज़िंदगी में बंदी देखी है. सो जर्क्स नहीं होते हैं. वो भी नॉर्मल लोगों की तरह ही खाना खाते हैं, काम करते हैं, नींद से उठते हैं, क्रिप करते हैं घर के काम करने के लिए, न्यू रेसिपी सीखते हैं, आपके साथ शेयर करते हैं, स्टॉक मार्केट की भूल सलाह देते हैं, भूल डिसीजंस लेते हैं, एंड वीडियोस देखते हैं, विमेन वीडियोस भी देखते हैं, एंड ऑल्सो इंटीमेट थिंग्स करते हैं. सो आई हैव रीगेन दिस न्यू ट्रस्ट ऑन द फैक्ट कॉल्ड दिस डेटिंग एप्स बिकॉज दैट दीज आर नॉट स्टूपिड एप्स. अच्छे अच्छे लोग भी हैं, अच्छे अच्छे पढ़े लिखे लोग या फिर एस्टेब्लिश पीपल. एंड द बेस्ट पार्ट अबाउट व्हाट आई फाउंड इज, पहले होता था ना, लोग 24 25 26 साल में लोग शादी कर लेता था, और या फिर गर्लफ्रेंड बॉयफ्रेंड बना लेता था, एंड देन दे यूज्ड टू गेट समवट सेटल्ड. नाउ पीपल आर मोर करियरिस्टिक, और लाइक करियर नॉट ओनली मीन्स प्रॉपर सरकारी नौकरी करना होगा. दे आर करियरिस्टिक, एक जिंदगी में कुछ करना है. दे विल मेक सम प्रॉपर्टी, सम एसेट्स फॉर देम. दे विल हैव अ वैल्यूएशन अटैच टू देयर नेम्स, एंड देन व्हेन दे रीच दैट पर्टिकुलर लेवल, देन जाके कुछ करेगा. सो पीपल आर नॉट स्केर्ड कि यार ठीक है, मेरा 28 हो गया, मेरा 30 हो गया, मेरा 35 हो गया, मेरा 40 हो गया, and still my dating app में हुआ, how will the girl feel. People don't feel bad, rather बहुत अच्छे अच्छे बातें होते हैं. अर्नब गोस्वामी के बारे में पिच भी करते हैं. So dating app is a new thing that happened for me, and I'm not at all apologetic about it. मुझे शर्म ही नहीं आ रहा है क्योंकि मैं हूँ, एंड दे हैव टोल्ड दैट दे हैव अदर मैचेस ऑल्सो. सो इतने सारे बंदे भी है, इतने सारे बंदियाँ भी है. आई थिंक सब कुछ ऑनलाइन हो गया है, ऑनलाइन ही करना चाहिए सब कुछ. पहले ऑनलाइन ही बातें कर लो, फिजिकली देख के क्या ही हो जाएगा. इट मेक्स मोर सेंस टू, मतलब looks doesn't matter, but when you're trying to physically meet someone, looks become more matterable. And now I don't know how good I look, how bad I look, because I had a very stupid haircut which I did for myself also. But looks and those stupid things doesn't matter. But long relationship, by relationship and friendship or connect or vibes, these happens. So you guys should try some dating apps. That's all for me.